Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you a 2018 Freightliner Cascadia glider kit condo today. I've gotten it warm. I'm going to show you oil pressure blow by. I'll do a full walk around for you. This is a 2018 with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, and 598 on the clock. Hope you like it. Let's get started. Extremely responsive. Oil pressure jumps up there. It's got good low side, top side oil pressure. Don't know any engine history on this one at 600,000 miles, but still responsive. Seems to run really well. Engine's clean, which we'll get to in just a second as well. Interior's clean on this one as well. Excellent matching steers, 108 plane. They ran the 12x2 This looks really good for 600,000 miles. Body and paint's really good shape. Matching virgin rubber on the back. No rock dings or paint blemishes on the back side either. About 50% brakes. The Harrison Truck Center built glider kit with the factory reman Detroit. There you have it, guys. I hope you like it. If you've got questions on this one or anything else, you can always give me a call at 901-896-4526 or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.